typically find the nucleus near the end. And yet typically the nucleus highlights new information. Sometimes when we speak, everything we say is new. But I have to point out that very often when we speak, much of what we say is not new, it's something that the other person already knows about. Intonation enables us to distinguish between what is new and what is given, what is familiar, what is not new information. Well, 3.1 on the handout, yes indeed, if all the information is new, then the nucleus usually falls on the last content word. I say content word, making a distinction between content words and function words. Well, function words are things like prepositions, pronouns, auxiliaries, conjunctions. And content words are typically nouns, main verbs, adjectives, most adverbs. So the nucleus usually falls on the last content word. So I might say, as you're enjoying the course, you answer, well, I don't like the heat. See, I chose very appropriate examples. And there, heat is new information. Yes, it's not new, we know it's all around us, but it's the first time you've brought it into the discourse. So for the point of view of our conversation, it's new information. And so it gets the nucleus. Listen how you might say that. Well, I don't like the heat. Do you hear that heat? That's a four-rise nucleus. In due course, we'll study the different kinds of nuclear tone. Heat, that's a four-rise. Heat, heat. Just try it. Heat. At a proper speed, heat. Heat. And the whole thing, well, I don't like the heat. Well, I don't like the heat. Well, I don't like the heat. Now say it, everybody, in answer to my question. Are you enjoying the course? Thank you. And this is the way to partly agree with someone. This says, yes, but. And that's a very useful intonation pattern. Okay, well, 3.2, some of the information may be old, but as long as the last content word is new, then it'll still have the nucleus. What's crucial is where the last bit of new information is. So I might explicitly talk about the weather, and what do you think of this weather? And again, you could answer, well, I don't like the heat, with the same pattern, exactly the same, although the topic itself is old, but the actual word heat does contain new information, and that's therefore new.